She's in. Make sure, hang on. I'm gonna have her on it. Yep, I'm getting the wings.
Oh, she's trying to escape. She's an escapee.
He's gonna go.
This cockpit. Whoa! That's wicked cool. Hey, Hammy.
I'm opening it.
Oh my god. It's the back view.
She needs to face the front. Hang on.
Front.
She's gonna face the front and then close the freaking cockpit. Okay. She's like, freaking claws. God. That kinda hurt. Okay, Hammy, stop. Get it.
Just leave her like that. Just leave her like that. See what she does. If she jumps, if she bails. No, leave her here.
Why?
Because she might bail.
I need to fly her.
No.
Fly her.
Say bye, Hammy. Hammy. Hey. Hamster.